Hello students, welcome to Summarized Chemistry. Here are some questions. You should follow them, which should be conducive in your entrance exam. Okay, let's get started. Here is a question that asks that select the aromatic compound. Okay, here are some options. You have to choose that which compound is aromatic and which compound is not aromatic. So, for aromaticity, as you know, what are the conditions? First, you have to check the condition, that is the compound is cyclic or not cyclic. Okay. The second condition is the compound should be planar. Okay. Third condition is the compound should have conjugation, that should maintain the conjugation properly. And the fourth and the important condition is it should follow the Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. Okay. So, according to the conditions, first you have to check the compound is cyclic or not. See, it is looking like cyclic, it is a closed structure, that means this is cyclic. It obeys the first condition. Then second, planar or not. For planar molecule, the condition are the carbon content triple bond, double bond, positive charge, negative charge with this compound. Okay. So, this carbon content double bond, 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 and so on. All the carbon content double. So it should follow the planarity also. The third, it maintain the conjugation or not. For conjugation, the rule are double bond, single bond, double bond, double bond, single bond, triple bond, double bond, single bond, positive charge. If the structure is similar with this compound, then it should be conjugation. So here double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So it is on conjugation. Okay. And the last rule is it should follow the Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electron. So first count the how many pi electrons are there. Here are 4 pi bond. Okay. There, that means 8 pi electrons are there. So as per the rule, the electrons should be 2, 6, 10 or 14. The pi electrons are 8 pi electrons, so it is not aromatic according to the Huckel's rule. Okay. Let us see the second example. In this compound, you have to check first it is cyclic or not. It is looking like a ring structure and a closed structure too, so it is cyclic. Then you should have to check the planarity. For planarity, the carbon content double bond, triple bond, positive charge, and so on. But here, the carbon contains single bond only. These two carbon contain single bond. And the rule is also said that if the whole compound carbon contain double bond, single bond, that means if the whole compound carbon are planar, then the molecule should be planar, otherwise not. So, the molecule is not planar. And you don't have to check the rest other condition, as the planarity does not follow. So it is not aromatic. Okay. Here is the third compound. It is looking like a bridge molecule, so it is out of aromaticity. Okay, as I said in my previous lecture. So let us come to the second question, that is choose the aromatic compound from the following. Which of the following is aromatic? Okay. So for aromaticity, you have to check the cyclic, planar, then conjugation, then Huckel's rule. Okay. So you should check it and do it on your own knowledge. Okay. And match it with this answer. You have to answer them by your own knowledge, by getting some idea from this video, and I will reply you in the comment section. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, and do practice. Answer to all questions. Thank you.
Do all the questions and comment it on the comment section.